Dear students, in this video, I will talk about a very important topic that plays role in the effective communication, and the topic is kinesics. So what is kinesics? Kinesics is the name given to the study of the body's physical movements. In other words, it is the way the body communicates without words, that is, through various movements of its parts. In short, kinesics is the study of body language or the language of the body. How your body supports your words, how you use your various hand movements, leg movements, eyes, expressions from your face while talking is what all we will see under kinesics. Example, nodding your head when you are moving your head maybe from left to right or up to down or blinking the eye, etc. Now the various elements in kinesics are personal appearance, posture, gesture, facial expressions and eye contact. So these 5 make the kinesics and we will discuss about them one by one. How important is that you take care of each of these elements of kinesics so as to develop a good and positive body language and use it in the best communication way that you want to. We'll start with personal appearance. Personal appearance plays an important role. See, when you are going to meet someone or when someone comes to meet you, the first thing that you focus on is how they look, how they appear, how they hold themselves, or how they overall carry themselves. People see before they hear the person. Also, the first impression that you have of a person is based on how their personal appearance is. Appearance includes clothes, jewelry, cosmetics, etc. So, this will involve everything that you put on yourself in order to improve your or in order to carry yourself. Example, what clothes are you wearing or what accessories you are using, how much makeup, how you're combing your hair, how tidy are your shoes, everything comes under the personal appearance. One should expect appearance be a part of the message one communicates. So, how you are actually carrying yourself, how you are looking while you are talking or while you are visiting someone should be according to the message that you want to give. For example, if you are going for a formal business meeting, then you should be in formal getup, like you should be dressed in a formal shirt or formal trousers and shirt and blazers. You should put on a tie. But if you're going for a party, then you can be in your denims and t-shirt. Or if you're going to a beach, then you can be in your casual shorts and tees, etc. Personal appearance should be planned in such a way that it communicates effectively. So you should be very careful in picking how you want to appear before people, because this will be take into consideration while how seriously people take you and how they judge you in terms of your communication or the words you use. If you are dressing as per the message that you are giving or as per the occasion, then you are thumbs up or one up in terms of your impact that you draw. One should be clean and well groomed as per the need of the occasion. So you should always try to be neat and tidy and well dressed up as per the event or the meeting or the place that you are visiting. The second element that also plays a very important role is posture. Posture refers to the way we hold ourselves when we stand, sit, or walk. So, while you're standing and talking to someone, or sitting on a couch, or a chair, or a sofa, or walking, this denotes what your posture is. What one speaks is very important, but what you do just before or after it is also very important. So, as you go for an interview, when you are entering the room, this also creates a very big impression about what sort of a personality you are having, and this is only because of your posture. So, you can see that posture plays very important role when people are looking at you on the first hand. Then you have standing, sitting, or walking in a relaxed way is a positive posture which will encourage questions and discussion. So, if you are not very much in a hurry, or if you are very well balanced in your physical posture, then people see that you are a very confident person. Being comfortably upright, facing the audience, and evenly distributing one's weight are all aspects of positive posture. So, you should stand with your body weight on both your limbs and also focus or face the audience. And this shows professionalism, confidence, attention to the detail, and the organization. This shows that you are a very sincere person who likes to focus completely wherever you are or whatever you are involved in. Example, a slumped posture or slouched shoulders, as you see, shows low spirits. This denotes that you are not very much confident. An erect posture, a firm posture, shows that you have high spirit or high confidence. Lean forward. When you are a little bent towards the audience or towards the listeners, then this shows open, honest, and interested. Even if someone is talking to you and you're leaning forward to them, this shows that you are very much keen to understand what they want to say. Lean backwards. If you are bending away from them or towards your back, then this shows defensive or not interested. This shows that you are actually trying to avoid or trying to ignore the person's message. Crossed arms. If you are sitting with your arms crossed forward, then this shows defensive and that you are not ready to listen to the message. You are actually trying to bring a barrier between the person and you. Then uncrossed arms. If you are sitting with your arms open in front of the person or with both your arms sideways, then this shows willingness to listen. As you are not bringing any barrier or block between both of you, this shows that you want to listen and understand to the person in front of you. That's all in this video. Thank you.